what is padding, our topic today. So
Jayashree, you didn't share your screen.
is it?
Okay, Jayashree,
Yeah.
visible.
Yeah.
That's
What
clear.
is our topic means today's topic? What is padding? Here, what is padding means? So we have the four common properties. Four common properties we have actually. Four common properties, that is top, bottom, left, right. These four common properties we have. So here these four common properties, to while you are going to apply for particular property, for particular property, it will it will give the space around around the around the borders. Okay, so general example, this will not a right what you're applying or any property, or either it may be a left, right, and top, bottom, and all the things. So actually what we have call it as means CSS padding. CSS padding is the space between space between the content, what you are giving any content here, of an element of an element and its border, on its border, and it creates like a breathing room you take, suppose inside the element, suppose the element pushing the content inward from edges, okay. So, and we have the four common properties here, like we are using padding top, okay, padding padding right, okay, padding bottom, okay, padding left. So here you going to apply the pixels percentage, pixel percentage, and r em rem. So here pixel will help for using some space, bit of space. So here percentage is also using bit space, but here it will both are taking the space, it will be unit wise it will take, okay. So these four properties we are commonly used in real time examples also as well. So you are going to apply the padding top using only one value is possible, okay. Here padding, again you can take top, not an issue. So two values also possible, and padding top you can take three values also possible. And here we are not using any top and all the things, just only you can use the padding property. So here you will use the only just padding of the property that will be used 4 sides. Okay, so don't want to use this as well, padding. So it will use the padding means it will control 4 sides of the properties as well. Okay, this about padding. So we will execute one small example on this. We'll execute small example on this. Already we have. Go to your front end folder or take CSS here. You can use CMD. This is a shortcut key for open your command prompt. Here code space dot enter. So you can create one file here. Already we have created one folder on a desktop. Inside the folder we have created again another file, right? So here you can create one file here that will be padding dot html or htm. So I'm writing here one shortcut key. This is the bytecode that will be the shift exclamatory. Okay, so what happens here, just a structure of HTML has to be presented here. So here you can take padding example, the page title you can take here, padding example. So how many types of HTMLs we have? We have the 2 types of HTMLs as well, and 2 types of HTMLs, that will be external and internal. And as well I'm writing the internal HTML I'm writing, and I'm applying one static HTML code I'm writing. After that we will write the CSS, applied CSS. So I'm starting here. So in header, first I'm creating header means what here, the header means top of session. Okay, so in header I'm taking h1 tag. What is h1 tag? The h1 tag is highest tag, highest heading tag, right? Properties. And here the main tag means what, main content we need to take inside of this main tag. So here it will represent as a session. So here I'm dividing the sessions one, and here I'm taking the class. So class means what, the class CSS has been applied. So I'm taking just a static one, like using example. So here h2, and here example, we need to take example session. Okay, so here we need to take p tag. So this is, I'm taking just static text here. This is session paddings. Okay, so I have taken like this, and after that I need to take one div class content. Here the content I'm going to taking here. So after that p content with individual sessions I will take. Okay, individual padding values, individual padding values. So after that I have taken the UL. What is UL here? UL means in order list. What is LI? LI means list of items. So in list of items I am taking here top padding. How many types of properties we have? I already told you. So right padding, that, bottom padding, that will be 4 pixels. Next, left padding, left padding. Okay, so this will be 50 pixels. So after that, UL tag will be ended, and after what I mean to use here, already header session is there, main session content is also there, and after that I need a footer session. So I need to apply the footer session here. So after ending of the main tag, I am taking the footer session. Footer session means what? The footer session will be the end of bottom of the page. So here I am taking footer content. Okay, footer content with padding. So I am taking like this. So we will see how it will be presented. So click on mousepad, right click on mousepad, open in a default browser. So without CSS it will be like this. So I need to apply the CSS. I need to apply the CSS for this. So we will see. So here you can take link. Here you can take link. REL means referral. So here style sheet, we don't have the differences, we don't have the space between style and sheet as well. And here href means h reference. So here padding dot css, padding dot css you can take. Okay, you can create from here itself, follow link, create link. Okay, so here I am taking for body, I am applying for body. So for it is in a tag format, right? So we need to apply, we need to call it as element CSS. So you can take as a body here. So first I'm taking the font family, the default font style, that will be Arial. So we will see how it will be changes. So refresh your browser. So it is some slightly changes. So right click on your notepad and open inspect tool and hover on body here. So here you can take background color. I want to take here, oh sorry, not a background, this will be the background color you need to take here. Okay, background color. So background color I'm applying a wheat. Okay, wheat color I'm applying here. So after that, margin, directly I'm applying the margin here. I'm not applying any property because the font size it wants to be take, so that's why I'm taking here the margin. Okay, so after that, padding you can take, padding here also you can take a 0. So what happens here, the space is given, so here not given anything, so just I want to apply like this. So copy this entire CSS, go to your Visual Studio Code and apply here. Okay, so what we have next, we have next that will be the header one. So here header one you need to take directly. We can apply header comma footer. Okay, so header footer you can take directly. So I'm applying here background color, that will be hash I'm taking, or is gray. Okay, so here go to your browser, not here, right here, go to your browser and refresh this one. So here see, the background color is applied, right? So like that, you can hover on this and you can apply the properties here what you want. So color, so the color means here the text color will be changed, that will be white. I'm taking here, okay, so it is changed into white. And after that, text, I need text align as a center, so it is came to center, right? So after that, I need a padding. So padding means I'm applying only the padding, I'm not applying right, left and all the things here. So 20 pixel. So what happens here, the padding is around 4 sets of corners is applied, right? So copy this one and paste in your browser, okay. So next what we have, it is applied for header as well footer also, okay. Header and as well footer also it is applied, okay. So after that, what we have, the main session. So it is also, we call it as element CSS only. So you can go to your browser as well, and I'm applying just sample thing here. So that will, the for elements, yes, I'm not applying any class one. So just padding I'm applying, so 20 pixels as well. So see here, this is the main content. Also we have given some space, right? So after that, we have the example. So it is in a class, right? So you can take as a class one, class CSS, and remember one thing, so this name and here what you are writing for the class, that will be the same. So if have the some differences also, the CSS will not apply, the CSS will not apply, okay. So here I'm taking border 2 pixel, solid, I'm taking solid black, okay. So we will see, right, the border will apply here, okay. So I'm taking inspector tool. For as a UI developer, you need to check here inspector tool only, using inspector tool only. What is our one? So that one is this example. So you can take background color, I'm taking here background color, I'm taking light blue, okay. After that, padding top, the padding top I'm taking here 20 pixels, okay. After that, padding bottom I'm taking here 40 pixel. And after that, I'm applying all properties here. Padding bottom is over. So after that, padding left, so the padding left here 50 pixel. After that, padding left is completed. I'm taking just a margin bottom 20 pixels, okay. Top right, and I didn't apply padding right, 30 pixel, okay. Just normally I'm taking. So we will apply this entire one in our Visual Studio Code. Okay. Top, bottom, top, padding right, padding right, bottom, left, and all the things it is applied. After that, what we have example and h2 also we have applied here, right? H2 part also we have applied, but I'm taking class at a time element CSS. Okay, so already we have class here. H2 margin also one property on CSS. Okay, next dot content, background color, that will be I'm taking directly white here, the named color I'm taking. And here border also I'm taking border 1 pixel solid gray. Okay, next I'm taking padding here, padding 15 pixels. For why I'm doing this all the things means, for this responsive one, I need responsive one. For that purpose I'm applying this all the things. Margin top 20 pixels. Okay, next footer same properties I'm applying. Margin top, next padding right, next padding bottom 20 pixel, next padding left, all the properties I applied here. Okay, 40 pixel. So we will see how it is. So see here, this all the properties will applied using left, right, bottom, top. Is it clear, right, everyone? So just only example purpose I applied. See here what I've applied here, and this is space, and this for this space, and already we have applied this all the spaces using these 4 properties. So these 4 properties we have used here, right? Is it clear, everyone, guys?